It is going to be cloudy and rainy for much of KwaZulu-Natal this Wednesday, so you need to be careful on those roads, especially this morning where we have those rains already going on in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And if you are up and about already, please send us those sunrise pictures on our WhatsApp number at the top of your screens, and also share with us on our social media platforms. Now, here's how the weather is going to look like for the rest of your day. It is going to be mostly fine for the southwestern areas, just a few specks of high cloud later on in the afternoon, and a bit of cloud is also going to hang around the south coast. But for much of the interior, we are expecting partly cloudy skies for the northern Cape, with between a 30 and 60% chance of thunderstorms later on this afternoon, extending into the Free State and pushing into parts of KwaZulu-Natal and also down into the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. But in KwaZulu-Natal, that's where we're going to see the heaviest rains, up to 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms right across the province. Windy conditions along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Now we have a warning for high fire danger conditions for much of the northern Cape, parts of the western and eastern Cape, as well as the Free State. It's going to be dry and sizzling hot for these parts of the country, so be careful around any open fires. A warning for damaging winds along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Those could be a problem navigating at sea if you are heading out to the waters here. Then in KwaZulu-Natal, we have a level 2 warning for severe thunderstorms and disruptive heavy rains that could result in localized flooding in parts of KZN, and especially along the coastal areas, including around Durban. Gauteng is going to, well, this morning we are starting off with minimums mostly in the mid to upper teens for much of the country, warmer for the KZN coastal areas and around Cape Town. Now this afternoon, Gauteng is going to be settled, partly cloudy skies with warm to hot temperatures. Johannesburg 27, the same for Vereeniging 29 for the top temperature in Pretoria. A dry one is also forecast to fall in Limpopo, thermometers mostly in the upper 20s and lower 30s this afternoon for the province. Then as we go towards Mpumalanga, we are expecting showers late in the afternoon and into the evening for the southern areas. Otherwise, it is going to be dry as well for the province. Bombela peaking at 28 degrees. A pretty wet day for KwaZulu-Natal, mostly cloudy as we go towards the coastal areas with rain and thunder showers. Durban warming to 28, 29 for Richards Bay and also for Pietermaritzburg. Then in the Eastern Cape, we are also going to see showers for the northern and northeastern areas. A bit of rain for the coastal areas, including this morning for Gqeberha, becoming dry later and peaking at 28. Mostly sunny and sizzling hot for the Western Cape, also on 41, the same for Worcester and Clan William, and Cape Town is also going to be pretty hot, peaking at 34 degrees. We are also expecting a hot one for much of the northern Cape. Showers could cool things down for the eastern areas later on this afternoon. It is going to be unsettled for the Free State with maximums in the upper 20s and lower 30s. Northwest, similar weather, dry however as we go towards the eastern parts. Rustenburg and Mahikeng peaking at 31. We stay with showers on Thursday for the eastern parts of the country. The heat continues across the western parts, and similar weather is forecast on Friday. That's all from the weather desk for now.